Hey there, fellow investors. Are you ready to embark on the thrilling adventure that is the stock market? Today is all about empowering you with insider knowledge, key strategies, and essential tips that will help you navigate through the tumultuous waves of market volatility effortlessly and professionally. The stock market, as we all know, is a fascinating ecosystem with endless opportunities. Yet, it can also be a daunting realm of unpredictability and abrupt fluctuations. Market volatility especially can feel overwhelming even for the most seasoned investors. Its complexities and sudden movements can be intimidating, causing many to hesitate or even withdraw. But remember, volatility is not a foe to be feared, but rather a powerful force that, if understood and wielded correctly, can lead to substantial gains. I am here to demystify this element of market, to equip you with a robust toolkit that will enable you to ride the ups and downs, much like a seasoned surfer mastering the waves. Today, we delve into proven strategies, effective tactics, and insightful tips that will not only help you weather the volatility storm, but also turn it to your advantage. Remember, volatility isn't necessarily a sign of danger, but rather an opportunity, potential profits. So buckle up and get ready to dominate the market. Trust me, with the correct strategies and a resilient mindset, you can not only weather through the rough market storms, but thrive and prosper in this unpredictable yet rewarding market. First things first, diversification is key. In the realm of investments, many might feel inclined to concentrate their resources in one area, one sector, one industry. However, it is imperative to spread your investments broadly, ensuring that you are not heavily reliant on a single sector's performance. Imagine it as a game of chess, where you don't just focus on the queen's movements, but strategize using all the pieces on the board. This is where the concept of diversification comes in, a tried and tested strategy in the world of finance. Diversification isn't about making large profits right away, but about safeguarding your investments against the unpredictability of the market. It's about increasing the chances of achieving a satisfactory overall return by spreading the risk. Think of it as planting seeds in different pots. Some might bloom beautifully, while others might not. But this way, you're ensuring that you've got a safety net. Diversification works because all sectors and industries don't perform equally well at the same time. There might be times when the tech industry is booming, while the oil industry is suffering a decline. By spreading your investments across these different sectors, you mitigate the risk of your portfolio being impacted by one industry's poor performance. Remember, the aim is to build a well-rounded portfolio that can withstand the ups and downs of the market. Because it's not about being right every time, but about being wrong less often. It's like that age-old saying, don't count your chickens before they hatch. Next up, stay informed. Just like how an athlete keeps up with his physical strength, your financial strength lies in keeping up with the market trends. It's a fast-paced hustle out there, with economic indicators constantly shifting like the sands of a desert. Every day is a new challenge, a new opportunity. Take a moment to think about the stock market as a massive, pulsating organism. It lives on information, breathes news, and thrives on changes. Every heartbeat it makes, it sends out ripples of change affecting billions. Now, imagine you are a part of that organism. Your survival, your growth, depends on how well you adapt to these ripples of change. And speaking of change, remember that it's not just about keeping up, it's about anticipating. Tracking trends gives you perspective, but predicting them gives you an edge. It's like a game of chess where strategy and foresight can lead you to the victory. And the strategies aren't just about buying low and selling high. It's about understanding the complex relationship between companies, their stocks, and the global economy. Company news, the lifeline of the stock market, should be your daily bread. Every piece of news can create ripples, and being the first to catch these ripples can put you ahead of the game. Every merger, every acquisition, every earnings report has the potential to create an opportunity. Knowledge is power, my friends, and in the world of stocks, being in the know can make all the difference. And remember, patience is a virtue. It's a virtue that is considered a valuable asset, especially in the world of finance. The stock market, as we all know, is a place of high stakes, heightened emotions, and constant flux. This volatility can often be nerve-wracking, leaving many investors feeling uneasy, anxious, and perhaps even panicked. These are the moments when some might feel the urge to react impulsively. It's only human, after all, to want to protect what we have, especially when it feels threatened. This might lead us to make rash decisions based on what may appear to be unfavorable short-term fluctuations. But it's crucial to remember that these are merely temporary changes, ones that do not necessarily dictate the long-term trends. It is advisable, therefore, to resist this urge, this instinct to act rashly on momentary shifts. Instead, it is recommended to remain steadfast, to stay committed to your investment plan. It's about maintaining discipline, about keeping your eyes on the bigger picture, about thinking long-term. Your investment plan is a roadmap that you've carefully laid out based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. It's not something to be abandoned at the first sign of a storm. It's a compass meant to guide you, even or especially in times of turbulence. Stick to your investment plan and think long-term. Lastly, don't be anxious about seeking out expert assistance. It's often beneficial to have a sit-down with a financial advisor. These professionals can provide tailored advice that matches your specific monetary objectives and your capacity for bearing financial risks. They are equipped with an arsenal of strategies, tactics, and years of experience. The idea of navigating through the boisterous waves of market volatility may sound intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. If one follows some simple and maintains a calm and composed demeanor, this task becomes less scary. The key is to stay informed, make decisions based on facts, not fear, and keep a laser focus on long-term goals. By doing this, you are already one step ahead in the game of stock market investing. The storm may be fierce, but with the right mindset and preparedness, you can emerge victorious. Remember, it's not just about surviving the storm, but learning how to dance in the rain. With that being, keep an eye out for our future videos packed with even more golden nuggets of wisdom on saving money and smart. And as always, we wish you all a joy-filled journey in investing.